Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to paint a peaceful lakeside landscape filled with vibrant greenery, calm reflections, and a beautiful wooden boat resting quietly along the shore. I begin by covering part of the canvas with white paint to establish the brightest area of the sky. Next, I mix blue and yellow to create a rich, dark green and start blocking in the distant trees that line the far side of the lake. Using a slightly lighter blue-green mixture and a smaller brush, I add another layer of foliage to create depth and atmosphere in the background. Returning to a larger brush, I mix a deeper green and begin shaping the trees that are closer to us. By building the landscape in layers, the scene gradually gains a natural sense of distance and perspective. The trees in the foreground become more defined, while those farther away remain softer and slightly hazy. Now I move to the water. With vertical brushstrokes, I gently pull the colors of the trees downward to create their reflections. Then, using horizontal strokes, I establish the calm surface of the lake. These simple directional brush movements immediately help the water feel reflective and still. To bring the trees to life, I begin adding highlights, using lighter green tones and delicate tapping motions. I place clusters of illuminated leaves along the tops and outer edges of the trees. The sunlight catches these areas, making them stand out beautifully against the darker foliage beneath. For the shoreline, I mix yellow, red, and a touch of white to create a warm, creamy color. This becomes the foundation of the sandy bank beside the lake. As I continue, I enrich the mixture with small amounts of black and white, creating subtle variations in color and value. These changes help the shore appear more natural and textured rather than flat and uniform. I extend the shoreline into the distance, carefully guiding it toward the horizon. Along the water's edge, I add reflections of the surrounding greenery, allowing the colors to blend softly into the lake. Reflections help connect the land and water while enhancing the peaceful mood of the scene. Next, I return to the foreground trees and begin refining them further. Because these trees are closer to the viewer, I use brighter highlights, sharper edges, and more distinct shapes. Throughout this process, I constantly adjust my color mixtures, sometimes adding more yellow for warmth, more blue for cooler shadows, or a touch of white for brighter highlights. These subtle color shifts create a lively, natural appearance. The reflections of these brighter highlights are also carried into the water. Small touches of light on the lake help suggest gentle ripples and movement while maintaining the tranquil atmosphere. Using a small round brush and a thin, dark mixture, I add scattered details and shadows across the sandy shoreline. These darker accents break up the lighter areas and prevent the foreground from looking too smooth or artificial. Now it's time for the focal point of the painting, a small wooden boat resting peacefully on the shore. I begin by sketching its overall shape and carefully adjusting its proportions. Once I'm satisfied with the structure, I add highlights and shadows to define its form and give it a realistic three-dimensional appearance. With a smaller brush, I refine the boat further, painting the wooden planks, edges, and delicate details that make it feel authentic. Beneath the boat, I create a soft reflection in the shallow water, helping it feel naturally integrated into the scene. After completing the boat, I continue refining the surrounding reflections, highlights, and shoreline details. Finally, I add the awe resting against the boat, a simple detail that brings extra storytelling and charm to the composition. With the final touches in place, the painting is complete. A peaceful lakeside retreat surrounded by lush green trees, shimmering reflections, and a quiet boat waiting by the shore. I hope you enjoyed painting this beautiful landscape with me today. If you did, please support the channel by liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more acrylic painting tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next painting adventure. Happy painting!